Hey everyone, Philip Pape here with a quick bonus episode because I wanted to share some results from a listener. His name is Bruce. You can find him on Instagram at Bruce and Jan Train. I'll include his link in the show notes. He's 72 years old, has been following the podcast for a while and also following the sprinting protocol that I talked about in episode 293, which admittedly I borrowed from Brad Kearns when he was on my show, and his results are pretty darn impressive. Bruce is using a Wahoo Kicker Smart Trainer and tracking with Zwift. And before he started his sprint training, he was doing 3 to 4 rides per week, 20 to 30 minutes each, averaging around 100 to 115 watts in zone 2. And if that doesn't mean anything to you, it's okay. We're going to talk about the improvement in a second. He started his sprint protocol on February 24th, and these are 12-minute sessions, including 4 all-out efforts with full recovery between each. Go check out episode 293. I'm going to link it in the show notes for the details on the protocol, but here's how he progressed. February 24th, he was able to hit 363 watts of power. March 21st, 422 watts. April 11th, 473. June 6th, 512. June 16th, 583. And June 27th, 646. So summarize, Bruce went from 363 watts to 646 watts in just 4 months. That's a 78% increase in power output at the age of 72. And he says that he's plateaued recently around 620 watts average in July and hit the 640s a couple times. And his goal is 700. And honestly, Bruce, if you're listening, I think you'll get there. The commitment that you have and the fact that this is a progression for you. And the best part is he says he's feeling great. Now, this is exactly what I talked about in episode 293. It's not just the sprint protocol, but it's really all the benefits as a lifter for sprinting. You don't need hours of cardio. You don't need hours of sprint training. You just need something very smart and very focused. 12 minutes, all out, 4 to 8 sets of sprints with full recovery of 6x the amount of the work. And again, the whole protocol is explained there. And if you haven't listened to episode 293, check it out. I talk about whether you're doing it on a bike, whether you're sprinting, all the anabolic benefits for you as a sprinter, especially for recovery. And if you want a deeper dive into the protocol, the benefits, how to do it, we actually did that in Physique University. And if you go listen to episode 293, I talk about it there, but it was actually more expensive back then. We've made it way more accessible. It's $27 a month now, and you're going to get a free custom nutrition plan if you use my exclusive link for listeners. But really, I wanted to just give a shout out to Bruce. Really nice work, man. Very solid progress. Keep it up. For everyone else listening, this is a great reminder that sometimes very simple, time-efficient approaches work best when you do them, when you stick to them. And the good thing about this kind of sprint protocol is it's easy to stick to. It doesn't have to be overcomplicated. Bruce didn't overcomplicate. He just did the work. And that's it. That's it for this quick episode. Go listen to episode 293 if you want to try this for yourself and understand the benefits and the protocol. Join Physique University if you want the workshop we did on this, as well as all the other great resources there for just $27 a month. Until next time, keep using your wits, keep lifting those weights, and remember, consistency beats complexity every single time. I'll talk to you on Monday.